Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing good. This is the ninth video of the single cylinder engine assembly series. Today we are going to create the 11th part of this assembly, that is rocker arm. So for those who don't know what is rocker arm, rocker arms are present here. They are the oscillating levers. They are used to convey the radial movement of the rods to the valves, helping the valves to open and close accordingly. So let's get started. Open SolidWorks, go to File, click New, select Part and then click OK. From the right bottom, set the units in millimeters. After that, you'll have to select a plane. I'm going to select right plane and then click on Sketch. We'll start by creating a circle. Let's make a circle like this and one more, concentrate to the first one we have created. Now using center line, let's create a line like this. And a vertical line and one more horizontal line. Please make sure this vertical line is not coincident with the outer circle. Okay, now again using circle, I'm gonna create two more circles. Okay. Now before we proceed with the rest part of the sketch, let's add dimension to what we have created until now. So using smart dimension, I'm going to give dimension to this outer circle, 18 mm. The inner one is of 10 mm. Similarly, this circle is also of 10 mm. And this circle is supposed to be of 11 mm. Okay, now let's keep the dimension of this line. It is 25 and this side it is 40 and the vertical line is of 8 mm. Okay, now from the arcs, select 3-point arc and let's connect these circles from the top. So first point on the small circle and the second point of the 3-point arc will be on the right hand side circle and the third point we will keep it on the middle one. Okay, similarly we're gonna connect these circles at the bottom side also. So here we are gonna connect a bit differently. We'll start with the smaller circle, then the second point will be on the bigger one and the third point of the 3-point arc will be here somewhere in the middle. Same to be done on this side also. Okay. Now from display or delete relations, select add relation. As you can see, this arc is shown in a light blue shade. That is because this arc is selected. Okay, so we'll add relation between this arc and this small circle and make it tangent. Okay, now this arc and the bigger circle, make it tangent. Now the bigger circle and the left side arc, tangent. Similarly, the arc and the smaller one, make it tangent. Okay, now it's time for the upper side. Now the circle and the arc on the top, make it tangent. Okay, now we are done with the relations. Now as you can see, the rest part of the sketch is in black color and these two arcs are blue because we haven't added dimension to these two arcs. So click on Smart Dimension. Let's keep the radius of this arc 30 mm and the smaller arc 20 mm. And our sketch is completely in black color. That means our sketch is fully defined. Now go to Features, click on Extruded Bows. Now in Selected Contours, select these both small circles. Now instead of blind, select mid-plane. Let's keep the dimension 8 mm. Okay. Now from the Bows Extrude, if you click the arrow, you can see the sketch. So from the Show, select Show so that our sketch will be visible. Okay. Now again, click on Extruded Bows. This time, click on this sketch. Now if you scroll down in Selected Contours, just delete this, which is already selected, and select these both regions. Now please deselect the thin feature, and again in the top, instead of blind, select mid plane, and here give the dimension 5 mm. That's how it's gonna look like. Click OK. So next we are gonna extrude the center portion. So for that, again click on Extruded Bows. Select the circle. In Selected Contours, let's select this region actually. Okay. Now again, instead of blind, select mid plane. Let's keep the dimension 20 mm. Okay. So we are done almost. Now from Features, select Fillet, and in Items to Fillet, let's select all these edges. Now here, give the dimension, the radius for the fillet. I'm gonna give it 1 mm. Now click OK. Alright. Now we'll have to create one more plane. So for that, from Reference Geometry, click on Plane. Now for the first reference, select the top plane, and here give the distance 5 mm, and here select Flip Offset so that a plane will be selected below the top plane. Okay, now click OK. Now select this plane and make it normal, and click on Sketch. Now we'll have to create a circle on the shorter side. Let me show the circle so that I'll get the center point from here. Okay, now we are gonna create a circle at the same center of the circle we have created. Okay. Now using Smart Dimension, let's keep the dimension for the circle 10 mm. and that's how it's gonna look like. Now go to features, click on extruded boss. Now here let's extrude it to 6 mm and then click on draft. Let's give the angle of draft, give it 10 degree. Now click OK. And our rocker arm is ready. So that's our rocker arm. Now save the part. Make sure you save the part with a proper file name. So I hope this session was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and share, and let me know your suggestions in comment box. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. I'm Deepti Matthew. Thanks for watching.